right, hi guys, it is Monday. We're on lesson 13 today. Lesson 13 actually is hopefully gonna be pretty easy, peasy lemon squeezy. You are just gonna be able, this is your target that you're gonna work on today, okay? It says I can show, write, and count to answer how many questions in a linear or an array configuration. So your three tasks that I'm gonna be seeing if you can do is number one, I can show an amount with materials. So again, you're gonna be helping me with some things on my board and showing me that you can make those numbers. Number two, I can write an amount with my pencil. So again, you're really showing me that you know how to write teen numbers and you're not flipping them or reversing them. The last one is that you're gonna be able to show me that you can count an amount with your finger by touching it. So again, all of these are math tools that you're going to be able to use to show me you understand how to count, write, and show an amount when I ask you how many, okay? So to start off with, we are going to come to my purple mat right here. And you are going to need your blank paper and your pencil because my question to you is, how many? So what I want for you to do, again, is I will point and you can count. If you don't need, if you don't need to follow along with me and you just know it, that's awesome. However, be careful because I kind of tried to trick you. This is not 5. So please don't start counting by 5s. This is a different amount. All right. If you need to, I'm going to point and you can count out loud and then you're going to write your amount in this first little block right here. Okay? All right. So here we go. I'm going to start pointing. Go ahead and write your amount in that box. If you need to, you can go back and count again if you're not sure. I know when I counted, I got a total of 14. So if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to write the number 14 in this box. Remember, your skill, again, is that you can write an amount. You're writing it with your pencil. I wrote it with a marker so it sticks out. And again, I can count an amount with my finger. I used my finger, but you still had to track along with me to be able to count. So you've done 2 of those amounts, okay? All right, I'm going to give you a new one. Give me just one moment, please. All right, I would like for you to go ahead, have a look at that. And I am going to point to them for you if you need me to. And you can count quietly while I point. Go ahead if you're ready and you can write the number in your next box next to the number 14. If you're not sure, you want to count with me, you can. I'm going to do it one more time, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I know my amount is 12. I am going to come down here and I'm going to write the amount of 12. All right, so those were our first 2 examples, you guys, of you being able to count as well as you being able to write an amount with your pencil. The next 2 empty boxes are going to be me giving you a number, and I want you to draw that amount, okay? So if I write this number, my number is 18. I would like you to draw 18 objects down below, okay? You can go ahead and get started. know for me, making 18, I did my 5 group way. I did 10, and then I did 8 below to make 18. If you're not done, that's okay. Go ahead and finish up, but please make sure you do have 18. If you need to go back and check, you can go ahead again and you can touch to make sure you have exactly 18, okay? Your next number that I would like for you to show me . 15. Go ahead and you can come up with a different design or a shape that you want to use, but please go ahead and show me 15. All right, for mine, I did 10 again, and then I added my 5 on the bottom, so I know 10 and 5 is going to make a total of 15. All right, awesome job, you guys. All right, listen very carefully. Today for your math, you are actually going to have a couple more more pages than usual. However, they're super easy. I'm hoping that, again, a couple of them you're just going to get through quick and fast. The first one you're going to do is going to be on page 177. All you are needing to do is you need to fill in the missing number where the ducks are. So again, they're starting you. If you have 11, what comes next? I'm hoping you said 12. They have 13. The next number is going to be 14. You're going to write that number and you're going to go all the way up until the end. The one on the bottom, again, same thing. You are going to write the missing number. You're starting with 12, but you've got to go back one. So you've got to think what comes before 12, and you're going to write that number on the line, okay? So again, if by chance you need a helper, I would pull out your number chart that you guys did kind of at the beginning of our video lessons, but that can help you. So that's going to be one page. Your second page is going to be page 178. And again, it's you counting the ducks and writing your amounts on top. The bottom is just what we did to end our video. They gave you the numbers 15 and they gave you the number 12. You are going to draw those amounts in the empty spaces, okay? All right, like I said, we kind of have a lot on this activity, on this lesson. Your next page is 179. You're going to count the stars and write the number. Now, this page is really important. This is really me seeing if you are understanding how this is going to match up with this. So whatever your amount is of stars, you need to write that. Down below, you are going to count only the shaded blocks. And you are going to see which one of these groups is the same as your stars. Whatever it is, you are going to make sure that you circle that whole set, okay? So this one, again, is just going to be you slowing down and not guessing. You should not be guessing. You should really be counting. And at the end of you counting each shaded block, you should ask yourself the question, is this number the same as this? If it's not, then go to the next set of shaded blocks. Same thing. If it's not the same number, go to the next set of shaded blocks, okay? Then you are going to come to this page. I love this page. They give you an example of what you're going to do. You are turning in this long line of objects and you're turning it into the five group way with the 10 frames, okay? So there is 13 hearts, but they now want you to do 10 and 3. So again, this is you turning a number, but using the double 5 frames, okay? So you're gonna be doing that as well, and that's on page 180. And let me see. Oh, yep, last page. Same thing. You're just gonna continue that over to these two. So like I said, today's math is a little bit more, but a lot of it is just, again, review and getting you fluent, which means you're getting a little bit quicker with your counting, and we're not necessarily pausing 1, 2, 3, but we're going a little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? So it's all about your fluency with the numbers and math. So those are your pages to work on this week, or for tonight, I'm so sorry. I will see you guys on Tuesday. Have a wonderful day. Bye, you guys.